Welcome to DDTV. I want to show you our carefully prepared results. Today, we are going to offer you a newly designed model for rental, Ranger Gemini. Designed for high-end film and television applications, our goal is to design a friendly and standardized platform for practitioners. We work with rental companies and some of the top industry experts to satisfy our customers' needs. It has the same body as your favorite repair.We, but equipped with Red's latest 5K Super 35 sensor Gemini. Red repair.We Gemini 5K S35 is known as the king of the night sensor. The sensor, named Gemini, has a 50,120 x 3000 resolution for a total of 15.4 million pixels. Sensor 30.72 mm, horizontal side 18 mm, vertical side 35.61 diagonals. You may have noticed that it is 300 pixels higher than the 5K FF of the Red standard for those who often use widescreen lenses, and for photographers who want more vertical resolution, this is really great. The real advantage of this camera is its low light performance. Gemini behaves cleanly even at normal available ISO thanks to its dual sensitivity mode. Dual sensitivity refers to the switching ability of the camera. It could switch between standard sensitivity mode and weak sensitivity mode. Standard mode will give you better dynamic range. It should be used in most shooting conditions. When shooting outdoors, or in a brightly lit scene, or when you need to keep as much detail as possible, just use this model. When the exposure conditions are similar, Gemini retains more highlight details, but compared to the Dragon sensor, it has greater dynamic range and less noisy points, and it supports IPP2, less crop when upgrading, low light performance. Easy of use is also paramount. The overall design of this model is completely integrated and standardized. The second is to save effort when using. So what can a large body with more functions integrate to improve ease of use? First, the new fan rotates in quiet mode by default. This allows the fan to start to whistle and cool down in advance. The sensor has a large temperature space to ensure low noise shooting. Overall, this is a more efficient fan rotation mode. It also ensures that the body noise is minimized when shooting on set. The fuselage core contains many components you will find inside the DSMC2 monstro. Thanks to the large top plate, we used a large fan and improved heat pipe design and aluminum wall. The fan doesn't start whistling at all during continuous shooting. So you don't have to do black balance so often. The recording department is all happy. Personally, I think the fuselage is just as the right size. Another area where ease of use has been improved significantly is about various interfaces. Integrated I/O distribution with the fuselage, we have two good sets options for We port and Andon port. Red standard control interface, 2-pin 12-volt AUX power connector, 3 SDI outputs, gauge, DC power supply interface, 5-pin time code interface, Genlock, USB port for charging Android or ISO devices, integrated 5-pin XLR input, headphone jack, 2-pin 12-volt power supply interface, 2 dedicated Red interfaces, and finally, 2 3-pin 24-volt AUX power connectors. Like our new production model, 3 SDI outputs. Having said so much, in short, the design of this model focuses on 3 points: ease of use, stability, and high picture quality. All these machines are in kit, and the packages all contains the following: Ranger body with optional PL bayonet, Anton and V-mount gusset with gasket, 2 dedicated interface monitor adapters, a big handle. Come to our website and take a look. Contact them when you need it. If you have any questions we haven't mentioned, please leave us a message. See you on set!